concerned, because this is exactly what Tushar Mehta has also been saying, that the case is infructuous, and as far as the CBI arrest is concerned, that's already happened, and that is exactly what appears right now from the Supreme Court, where the Supreme Court has basically declined to entertain the plea that has been made by P. Chidambaram at this stage with regards to the arrest that has been made by the Central Bureau of Investigation.
Let's go to Niranjan, who is reporting from Mumbai studios. Niranjan, what more details you are getting? It's a big setback for Chidambaram.
The plea has been dismissed. It's breaking on Republic TV. Chidambaram's plea has been dismissed. Supreme Court has dismissed Chidambaram's plea. A big setback to the former Union Minister, one of the Congress Party's senior-most leaders. Senior-most leaders facing corruption charges. CBI has delivered a big setback to Chidambaram. He will have to face the law. He will have to face questioning. It has now been rejected. First, on Republic TV, the plea has been dismissed. The Supreme Court has asked Chidambaram to move for regular bail plea. It's a big breaking news update. Supreme Court asking Chidambaram to move regular bail, adding that the petition against the CBI is now infructuous. It's a big setback to Chidambaram. Supreme Court saying that it will not interfere in the CBI arrest. The Congress Party and its lawyers, a team of lawyers have been arguing that it's an old case dating back to 2007 and 2008, adding that this arrest should not have been made. They wanted the arrest to be reversed, but that has been rejected. Supreme Court has dismissed the bail plea. Looks like the CBI and the Enforcement Directorate now have a stronger case. Isn't that correct? Shravan?
Well, Niranjan, full details of this entire investigation that has been carried out by the Central Bureau of Investigation, what we have access so far. Remember, we're talking about fresh evidence in this case. What exactly is the fresh evidence? That is the input that has come in from the Financial Intelligence Unit, providing full details of the bank accounts as well as those shell companies, bank accounts that were opened in United Kingdom, Switzerland as well as Mauritius through shell companies operating from Bermuda, Mauritius as well as Switzerland. Now this we are given to understand what the Central Bureau of Investigation has already asked P. Chidambaram at this point in time. Apart from that, on Saturday is when P. Chidambaram was handed with a list of FIPB approvals that were granted during his tenure. We are talking about 2004 and between 2004 and 2008, and then afterwards in 2012. He was essentially asked to mark all those FIPB approvals that were given during his tenure, and whether at all there was any sort of dissent or recommendation that was made by P. Chidambaram. He was also confronted with a statement that has been given by the chairman of the FIPB board, and it becomes extremely crucial at this stage because the chairman of the FIPB board basically raises certain doubts with regards to the INX media case, where they are making it absolutely clear that certain information was withheld from the FIPB board itself, and they were basically not aware as far as those discrepancies are concerned.
Update now that the plea against Vikram, Shravan, plea against the Enforcement Directorate is now being heard by the Supreme Court. That's a breaking news update now. The Supreme Court has rejected the plea against the CBI, and as we speak, another plea is being heard, and this is the plea against the Enforcement Directorate. What's the case? What is Chidambaram's petition state against the Enforcement Directorate, and what is the case against Chidambaram, which the Enforcement Directorate has this afternoon? Shravan?
Well, in fact, Niranjan, Nalini is basically reporting that Tushar Mehta seeks to submit the case papers in a sealed cover before the Supreme Court. Now, with regards to the Enforcement Directorate's case, remember in the application that has also been accessed by Republic TV, they are making a list of several such companies and shell companies that have been linked now directly to P. Chidambaram. They're talking about kickbacks that were received by P. Chidambaram, and that is the reason why they are asking for cancellation of the anticipatory bail or any sort of interim protection that was granted perspective, because as far as the Enforcement Directorate's case is concerned, he enjoys interim protection from arrest till today. So right now, the Enforcement Directorate also pressing upon the court that that protection should be taken away from Mr. P. Chidambaram, because their investigation is right now at a crucial stage with regards to certain fresh inputs that have come in. So when we're talking about the Financial Intelligence Unit basically providing a report, the reports that have been given to the Central Bureau of Investigation as well as the Enforcement Directorate.